Hello, my dear friends. I hope you are well. I'm Sandeep and most welcome again at this YouTube channel. I hope you are well and you are doing, my dear friends. You are doing well. I am Sandeep, and if you think that how to overcome your fear, how you can improve yourself, how you can speak in English, my dear friends, how you can make fluent in English, and someone says that, my dear friends, how we can talk of people, how we can speak confidently between of people, my dear friends. This is nothing to be till that when you would not do practice, lot of practice. When you will do practice, when you will do conversation in English, my dear friends, you can gain better result, better response yourself. You must know that at this talk, and I hope you must try to do and you can improve yourself. You must do, my dear friends, my dear brother and sister, if you are a learner, if you want to improve yourself, and if you think in English. Also, I want to improve my communication skill, and we are working of my communication skill. We are doing practice something, not giving time lot of us, but when we have met time, we are making a weakness. We are doing practice something. I think that who help to you, my dear friends, you must share your tag between of people. If you will do as, your load, your pressure will be removed, and you will be feel a freedom in your life, my dear friends, my dear brother and sister. If you are feeling heavy, and if you are feeling load at yourself, and if you are feeling boring always, you must do something. If you will do, I think your work and your time will be distribute, and you will not think you at yourself not come load, and at yourself not um, come pressure. If you are doing something, my dear friends, someone says that what we are getting speak, but we are doing some practice because we want to improve my English, and we want to speak English fluently and confidently. If someone says that, if someone say, can you speak fluently on the stage, can you talk in English, can you give suggestion, or can you improve, how we can improve my communication skill. If someone asking to me, my dear friends, if someone are put up question with me, how we can make fluent in English, how we can learn, my dear friends, be always saying to you, if you want to improve yourself, you have to need know about yourself, what are you and what you have to know. First of all, you have to learn your grammar, and till that you would not know make of the sentences, you would not get to speak, my dear friends, my dear brother and sister. You have to need know. Also, I'm a learner, and because you would see lot of people belong a village and they are not studying CBSC patterns. You must know that at this talk, but someone are improving of his communication skill. If you want to improve, as for me, you can watch to me, and we are doing practice. We want to improve my communication skill, and I hope we will get do better from the people. If you are thinking as, my dear friends, you can gain well knowledge, and you must do work. If you are going someone at place where you meet some stranger, you must talk, and you have to need know about of them potential, how they are thinking, how they are keep thoughts, how they are keeping thoughts for to you, and how you are thinking for them. You must know that at this time, because when we are talking the stranger people, first of all, we cannot start how we have to talk and what we have to talk, my dear friends. In this type problem create as me as with me, and I think also as type problem with create with to you, my dear friends and my dear brother and sister. If you want to go for spoke English, if you want to improve English, my dear friends, you have to think in your mind, you have to think before, then you would get to speak, my difference. If you are learning something, you will do mistake, and your mistake will be give a different confidence to you, my dear friends. If you are learning something, you must know that at this talk. If you are thinking I am not too capable to speak, my dear friends, you would never get speak. You must know that at this talk. And I think that who I am speaking our broken language, I know that जो मैं अपनी टूटी फूटी इंग्लिश बोल रहा हूँ, I know that at this talk. But we have to do practice. हमें practice करना है तो मुझे बोलना पड़ेगा. We have to spoke something if we want to do practice in English, my dear friends. If we want to learn English, if we want to gain something well, we have to give time. I hope you know that at this talk. And you must know about yourself. I always say to you, give time for your ambition. Whole time we are spending for here and there, wasting only, nothing to give proper of my ambition. Of my ambition. My dear friends, you must make ambition in your life and do work some time for your ambition, because you know that social media is making to you in this generation. You have to know lot of people. And my dear friends, if you want to do well in your life, you have to watch lot of people, what they are doing and what you are doing, my dear friends, my dear brother and my dear sister. You must know that at this time, not everyone is do everything in his life as you can take to me, because हम लोग चाहे जितना सोच लें, we think lot of us but we cannot achieve what another person can achieve. Why? Because nothing is be only thinking. Something is destiny in your life, my dear friends. You have to know that at this time, because I watch lot of people, I listen lot of people, and I'm not getting well. Why? I don't know that at this time, but we are thinking I will gain well and I will achieve well in my life, because we are doing work of my ambition, of my purpose, of my goal. If you are trouble taking for your problem, my dear friends, you must know that one day that problem will be make different people in the society, in this village. You must know that at this time. And I don't know what am I getting speak, but I think nowadays in which people you are feel same, but if you are success in your life, otherwise you always, क्योंकि लोग तो मजाक आपका उड़ाएंगे ही मेरे दोस्त, जब तक सफल नहीं होंगे. यानी कि मजाक बनाना, यानी कि मजाक बनाने दीजिए लोगों को, ये भी ज़रूरी है, लेकिन सफल होगी तो बदल लेंगे ना. If you would not succeed in your life, my dear friends, what would you do? Only face of them. लोगों को झेलिए. Also, I am doing. If you want to achieve something well, you have to need know and who content I am writing. We are not getting speak. I don't know that. जो मैं content लिखता हूँ, मैं बोल ही नहीं पाता हूँ कि बोलना क्या है, because I have written some lines in my copy and I have not spoke in this video. जो रास्ता शुरू में कठिन होता है, असल में वो वहाँ आगे चलकर सबसे आसान लगने लगता है. जो रास्ता शुरू में सबसे कठिन होता है मेरे दोस्त, वो आगे चलकर आसान लगने लगता है. डेट वे इज ट्रबल फॉर बिगनर. फर्दर इन योर लाइफ everything is easy. You must know that at this talk and do work for your purpose. I hope one day you will succeed in your life. And if you are watching to me, my dear friend, we need your support. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you. Jai Hind, and meet in the next video. Jai Hind. Thank you.